Hi, I'm Jordan from Wizard Clinics and welcome to episode 11. So we're slowly ticking through the episodes, which is good. In this video we have a big earwax removal plug going to come out towards the end, so stay tuned to watch it. So there we go, it's just touching on with the suction probe. Slowly pulling it out. I'm not sure if we get it quite yet, I can't really remember, but anyway. So I just thought I'd take this time to actually explain what is earwax. So earwax, or as it's medically known, cerumen, um, is found in everyone's ears, and it's there for a reason. So the main purpose it has is to trap dust, bacteria, any dirt that gets in the ear, and stop it from going any further in towards the eardrum. It also has antibacterial properties, so it helps prevent ear infections. Um, so it's a common misconception that if you have earwax, you're not clean or you're unhygienic, which isn't true. So earwax buildup can be caused by a lot of things, such as just some people genetically just produce more earwax than others. It could be a buildup over time, especially in the elderly. It could be caused by if you have excessive hairy ear canals or very narrow ear canals where the earwax struggles to actually escape. Or if you wear a lot of headphones every day, you're basically acting like earplugs, so the earwax has nowhere to go but back in. So back to the video, we're using a suction probe again to grab the earwax plug towards the entrance. I think we're about to get it very shortly. Just trying to get the angle. Oh, there we go. That's a massive chunk. Yep. There let's have a look. So there's the eardrum. Nice and clear eardrum. A little bit earwax on the sides, but that's fine. It's there for a reason. So thank you for watching.